Welcome to my English class. Today we will learn about vegetables. Tomato, tomato, tomato. Corn, corn, corn. Cabbagey, cabbagey, cabbagey. Okra, okra, okra. Cucumber, cucumber, cucumber. Cauliflower, cauliflower, cauliflower. Squash, squash, squash. Asparagus, asparagus, asparagus. Bell pepper, bell pepper, bell pepper. Broccoli, broccoli, broccoli. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Chili pepper, chili pepper, chili pepper. Lettuce, lettuce, lettuce. Eggplant, eggplant, eggplant.